Hello, welcome to my channel. So before starting, I just want to tell you that I have a Telegram channel where I post analysis and some signals to take in order to make some profit. I also just started VIP group where I share full details and full support to my traders, and more info I will share later. Just contact me in Telegram if you are interested. I will leave my ID in the description. So let's start. This video is all about some trading setups for EURUSD and USDJPY, and also some other pairs we'll get into later. So I will share with you a deep analysis so you can trade and hopefully make some cool profits. So as you can see in Euro USD on the 15-minute time frame, we'll be by the way trading on the lower time frame, which is 15 minutes. We have a major resistance because we are seeing that a lot of sellers came in from this from this area, and also a major support because it is the extreme low of my chart. And by the way, from this support we have witnessed a lot of news, NFP news, which lead to this candle and to a change of the market trend. So also we have some intermediate levels such as this resistance, which is a good resistance because it is linking those two high points, and also a good support. Here it was a resistance, we are seeing a lot of sellers came in, and also a good support because after going down, by the way, I took this trade and I made some cool profit with it. I guess $500. Yes, I made $500 in this trade. I bought here after seeing this bullish engulfing candle, and my take profit was this place, this previous resistance, and I won this trade. So anyway, after identifying these places, I can aim for a setup. Basically, we are now confirming that the market is going down. The market movement, the market direction is bearish because look at these candles. We are breaking those support, this support, and we are continuing to go to the downside until hitting this place, which can go against me. We might even break this support, but to be in the safe side, we will make our take profit up to this support. But where should we trade? We have a lot of resistance here, and this major resistance is far away from my price, so I will mostly focus on these two good resistances. This one is the nearest to my price, so we broke it. Now it is working as a resistance. Here it was a support. We broke it. So we will wait for the market to come to this place again, and if we have a confirmation is basically like this. Look at this. I waited for the market to touch this place, and after that I saw this bullish engulfing candle. Look at this. I analyzed the market and I saw this where I seen a lot of red candles, and finally I'm seeing a green candle bigger than the previous red candle on a support zone. So this is indicating us that the buyers are in control in this zone. So I bought. The same thing here. This is a place of resistance and the market is going down. So if we reach this place and if we have some proofs that sellers exist, because even this is a place of sellers, we are not sure that sellers exist. Maybe they don't feel interested in placing shorts in Euro USD. So we will need to see if we have any weak rejection, if we have a dodgy candle, something that is saying that the market will reverse. Okay, if you are seeing some bearish engulfing candle or some red candles bigger than the green candles in this zone, then you can check your sell. Your sell order must be places at the end of the red candle, and your stop loss must be above this area and the previous week. Suppose we have made a week like this, your stop loss must be above it. You can't just make it like this. You need to make your stop loss above it because the market already touch this place, so maybe it can again reach this place again. So to be in the safe side, just make your stop loss above, and the safest possible above these all weeks and all levels, and hopefully you can win this trade. And by the way, take profit must be on a major support, which is this. And let's see how much pips are these. It is nearly 25 pips, which is great. If you are risking $5 per pip, you can get around 125 pips, which is cool. Okay, so let's check NZDUSD. I have some good setups there. By the way, I already made this analysis, so feel free to join my analysis room in Telegram. You can contact me. I will leave my ID in the description. So the same thing here. We have a major resistance and a major support. Basically, this is not the strongest support, but just to make my chart clean, and this is a very strong support. Let's make this. This is a very strong support. Also this one, because we are seeing that the market was moving up, and finally after hitting this place, it starts ranging. We don't have any movement. the buyers and the sellers were confused whether to go with the buyers or the sellers. So we can mark this as a strong support. Buyers exist here, they exist, and also I'm seeing an uptrend. This trend line indicating us that the market direction, the bigger market direction, is going up. So we have a minor support here. This was the resistance, a small resistance, and it is now working as a support because we broke it. The same thing here. This is a minor resistance. It's very minor resistance. We broke it. We have some buyers entry from this place, so this is a support. It was used a lot of times, so maybe we are seeing a break of this support. So my plan here is because as I'm bearish in Euro USD, for XXX/USD pairs must go also bearish according to my experience. So I will be interested if I'm seeing a break of this minor support, then pull back to it with the confirmation. I won't repeat what confirmation means because I've repeated it on a lot of times. Same, I told you, dodgy candle or bearish candle or whatever, just a reversal pattern that is showing that sellers exist. And finally, you can take your take profit up to this trend line, to this minor support, or to this major support, depending on how much profit you need to get. And by the way, your stop loss also above this resistance, because we will break this support. Now it will be a resistance. So let's just mark it like this. Let's make our stop loss like this. It will be a 1 to 5, yes, 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio if our candlestick just close like this, our confirmation candle just close like this. Okay, and you can also make your stop loss depending on the week. It can go here or here depending on the week. So you need to control this, or contact me in Telegram. I will help you there easily. So let's check also USDJPY. Okay, in USDJPY I also made analysis for it, and it seems really great for me, because look at this. In the overall big move, in the overall big sight, we are seeing that the market is going up because I'm drawing this whole strong trend line, and we have broken it. So we are seeing that the sellers are more powerful than the buyers, and I might actually trade on this pair because I really like it. Why? Because look at this, we have a very good, nice trend line, trend resistance. Yes, this is a trend line, trend resistance, that is indicating us that the sellers will push the market to go to the downside. And but I was also confused because I'm seeing this trend line of buyers, so I was confused. But after getting broke, after breaking this trend line of support of buyers, I'm sure now that the market is in control of sellers, and it will continue to fall until it hits this place. So my entry point will be this one, will be on a golden zone. This is a golden zone because it is a support. This is a clear support, and it got broken. Now it is working as a resistance. So this place is full with sellers, and also it is an intersection between a place of full with sellers and also this trend line. So these both did this place actually is full with sellers, so I might take a source from it if I have any confirmation, if I have dodgy candle or some bearish engulfing candle. And my stop loss also will be above any any weak rejection, and my take profit will be to this last major support, which is this one. I'm sure that the market will touch it, and I might actually trade on this one because I like the number of pips. I think it will be 30 or 40. Okay, it's 30 pips, which is cool, which is enough for me. If I risk $10 per pips or $15 per pip, it will be a fat $300 to $450. So it's very profitable for me. And don't forget to contact me in Telegram. See you in the next video, and good luck.